a junior. This is next to American Idol. That's exciting. He was right here. And you know, you're in for a better treat because now you get to listen to an old man talk on stage. That's really topping it. I mean, it gets better. An old man talking. And then later you can dance, but wouldn't you rather listen to an old man talk? Dancing party? No! I'm going to do more of it. God, I love pussy. God, yes. I just keep getting up. Yeah, you can tell by that. Yes. I love the pussy. I don't know. How many people love pussy like me? I love anything that will get me to fit in. All I want to do is fit in. You know, here it's anything I can do. This reminds. This is like it looks like a hitching post, doesn't it? I want to tie my horse to it. It reminds me. Speaking of fitting in, this is what I recently did. I went to a country bar. I don't know if I don't know I'm in the country. I went to a country bar and you know where the cowboys are. And I figured, you know, I can fit in there. I can be a cowboy. You know. Before that, I tried to be an Indian. I did all the village people, pretty much. I did them all. I actually did them. Actually, it was the 70s. It was a really wild time. And they're great. I did them. And so I go to this country bar, and they do the line dancing there, so I thought I could dance in line, because I'm always doing it. Supermarkets, DMV, unemployment. It helps the wait go by faster. And I'm going to say something funny right now. Ready? It's and then here's what I did. I got gussied up because when you're a cowboy, I got my tight jeans, I got my cowboy boots, I had my cowboy hat, and I had my leather vest, my leather chaps, I had this cute leather purse. It was adorable. It was just love it. And then my handcuffs, my ball gag, my nipple clamps. I was overdressed. So. But you know what is amazing is there was another cowboy there that was dressed just like me. It was DJ West. He's such a copycat. Where is he? Dressing like that. You know, talking about those handcuffs, it makes me sound like I'm kinky, but I'm really not. I'm not. You know, I have my fetishes, but. There's some sick people out there. This guy in the bar, he says to me that he likes to have sex with animals. Oh, yeah! Yeah, bestiality. He's into, you know, that's, I don't know, I just have a line and I draw it. It's a line that you don't want to dance in. And he says to me, we ought to go out to my farm, little redneck. I mean, that's sick. I can't even, you know. Anyway, so we go to his farm, and the man is over there with a pig, and the squealing, oh my God, the squealing, I'll never, and the noise the pig was making, too, was awful. And he has me paired up with a sheep, and I don't know what the fuck I'm going to do, because I don't know about you, but I have to get to know a sheep before I fuck it. So I actually trying to get to know it. Oh, that's a lovely coat. What is that, wool? Kind of stuff. I don't know what to do. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. I'm really enamored with the whole, the hyper-masculine types, the really macho ones. And I guess I've always wanted to be like that. You know, these guys, they scare me, though. I'm intimidated because they seem like they have too much testosterone or something. Yeah. You know, and don't get me wrong, I like a lot of testosterone. I do. It's delicious. That's awful. I put it on my cereal, I'll stir it in my coffee. It's a tasty treat. They scare me because I have a history. I grew up in a really rough redneck town, and in high school the jocks would tease me, and they would. This one guy said to me every single day the same stupid ass thing. He says, "Hey Joey, blow me." You know, I got so sick. Hey Joey, I got so sick of it. I blew him every day. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I miss him. I do. I think about it a lot. It's jokes like this that make people think that I'm gay. And I want to just set it straight. You know, I love pussy, and I'm not gay. Okay, I'm gay, but you know, I'm going to stop. Actually, I'm actually on the patch right now. I've got it right here because it just feels good there. I feel it releases small amounts of gay stuff like the cravings to listen to Madonna or watch Gentle. Maybe she think you're too young. And so what's the other one? Oh yeah, the craving to get fucked in the ass. That one's
yeah.
So I'm Joey again. Thank you very much. I'll hand the mic back to you.